Hi guys, today I got some brake pads to install in my Defender. Simple task, easy to do, let's get to the job. I went for the Ferodo brake pads. The reference is right here. In the box you will find two pairs of brake pads. You see the amount of pad that we have here to spend. The pads also bring an instruction manual how to assemble them. It's an easy task. Let's proceed and let's put these babies on the discs. Wheel is off. We need now to take these retaining pins. Let's put them back in position so that they can exit. Okay, one is out. Let's take now the other one. Okay, second one is out also. Next step, taking out the pins and this little spring, the rattle spring they call it, anti-rattling spring. Okay, one is out and the spring is right here. And now the next one coming out also as the spring comes out also. Okay. The pads cannot come out, they are blocked against the disc. We need to find a little bit of space, we need to push them out. Okay, the first one is out. It's already worn out, as I can see here. I'm gonna show you the new one, just as a comparison. You can clearly see here the difference from the wear out one and the new one. So check out the amount of wear this one still has, the new one, and this already worn out. Now let's take out this one here, do the same exercise. Okay, this one is wear weared out, and now we need to push the pistons back. I'm gonna try to do it with this big key that I have here. You see, it's going down because the other pads are bigger because they are not worn out and they need space to get in. Now I'm gonna get rid of this rust here. Already managed to squeeze in all four pistons by pushing them inside. The oil goes up so the pistons retract. I already gave a little clean with brake cleaner all around. Now time to put the brake pads. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use some high temperature copper grease. I'm just going to put some here. I'm going to apply also some around here and also on the sides. Make sure that the contact surface is clean. And to finish off, you have a bevel edge. This needs to be facing to the back because the wheel turns on this direction. So the disc needs to face the beveled edge. So the beveled edge, if you have them in your brake pads, goes facing backwards. First pad is in. Let's put the second one with the beveled edge facing the back. Let's do the same exercise. And here it goes. Okay, now that the brake pads are in, we just need to put back the pins in place and the anti-rattling springs back again. Slide them all the way. Okay, both are in. Let's put the pins back in place. First pin is in. Let's put the other one. Okay, pin is in. Now let's put this wheel back together. Now what's missing is to depress the brake pedal until the oil flows down and you feel like the pedal is getting hard. That's it. Job done. Thanks for watching.